Card 10.
Card 10, investigate a disturbance at 5002 Diamond Street.
Officer, there's a man next to me in next to my apartment who is cussing and swearing something awful.
Don't worry, we'll take care of it, ma'am.
He's got a knife, and now he's got a knife.
Blow your head off. See if I can. It's nice and warm here, and I got plenty of food.
Now, he's been acting strange lately. He thinks the neighbors are out to kill him.
Mr. Horace, open the door. Police.
Pardon me, buddy. That's probably the grocery man.
We heard you had trouble with the neighbors. I want to come in and help you. Coming in, Paul, to talk to you. Come on in out of the dark so we can talk. I'm going to put the light on so we can be in the light.